Boy, you got me in.
Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Another video. As you saw, I have this wonderful blue look, blue orangey yellow look for you. It's a really simple look. So I did a video about this hair on my German channel, and so many people were asking for the makeup look, and that's why I did this now. I just did it again, the makeup look I did on that video. Today I'm just giving you the makeup look, and the next time I will give you the details about this hair and everything. I already did the video, so it's coming. And yeah, this is the makeup look. It's really colorful, but it matches so good with the hair and with my dress. I put on a dress, this baby blue dress, and yeah, that's the makeup look. And it came out really good. It's really colorful. Not everybody likes colorful makeup looks, but I do. And yeah, so if you like this makeup look, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe down there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, so I know I can do more and more makeup tutorials on this channel. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram name. There I post regularly, like every other day on my stories. There's always something on my stories, so don't forget to follow me there. And without further ado, let's do this makeup look. It's so easy. It's so easy. Let's do it. So there we go again. Hi, it's me. First things first, I'm using some tape to get a sharp line as usual. So now I'm using the Revolution Makeup concealer. This one is in the color C0, and I used the white base because I wanted the color to pop out, so I used that one. Now I'm going in with the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'm taking the orange color you see, and I'm blending it out there. And this one will be my transitioning color, or something like a transitioning color. I packed on so much color, but I wanted it to be vibrant. So now I'm going into this yellow color. And this yellow color, I only put it in the outer V of my eye and dragged it just a little bit inside. You see it. I dragged it just a little bit, and I melted with the orange a little bit there on the outer corner. Now I'm taking this blue turquoise color. It's just a baby blue color, and I'm doing like a cut crease, but I didn't really cut the crease. I'm just pretending doing the cut crease, and I'm melting like the orangey color with it and the yellow one. But there I went in with the yellow one, so to get a better, I don't know how to call it, just to get a better mixing with those colors, a better mix. Yeah, I got a better mix with the colors. I went back to the blue one, and I went back to the yellow one, and I mixed them somehow. Now I'm using my eyeliner. This eyeliner is the best eyeliner ever. It's from Essence, and I'm using it for like 10 years now, and I love this eyeliner. The best black eyeliner ever in your life, like, trust me. Now I'm going in with my mascara. I use this mascara here because of the fallout of the colors, but usually I don't use any mascara on my bottom lashes. Now my lashes, yeah girl, there you are. Lashes are on. Now we're gonna take off the tape, and you will see what I meant, why I'm doing this step. Like, yes, ooh. So okay, now I'm going in with the Glow Iridescent primer. This one is from Primark, and I only bought it for I think €3. It was on sale, so that's why I took it, and I like it. It's okay, I like it. I can go with it. It's really okay. And I'm pushing back the scar. So for my primer, I'm using the Corn Mattifying Primer. And I like it. It's really moisturizing, but yeah, it's mattifying, but not that much. So you can use it even though if you have a dry skin, you can use it. So for my foundation, I'm mixing two colors. This one 365 and 355. Because 355 is a little bit too light and the other one is not exactly my color. That's why I'm mixing them. As you can see, a little bit goes a long way, or maybe much goes a long way. And I'm blending it out with my brush, my foundation brush, and yeah, you see the color, but it turns so it doesn't stay like this. You will see. Now I'm using my concealer. This one is from ColourPop. It's a little bit dark, I think. This is the first time I'm using this color, and somehow I find it a little bit dark. I'm blending it out with my brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. The number is 117. Yes, I could recognize this because I'm using only this brush to blend out my concealer always, and I love it. I love this step. Now I'm using my other Revolution Makeup Concealer. This one is in the color C18, yes, to contour. As you can see, I'm contouring my face with it. And I'm using always some brush to work it into my skin. As you can see, guys, so like this, yes. You see, it's not too dark. It has like really a good color. So this one was the setting powder, translucent setting powder, also from ColourPop. And yeah, I'm just setting all the things, all the spots where I did the light concealer, as you can see. Sorry, I'm really tired when I'm doing this voiceover, so bear with me. So for setting the dark contour, I'm just using this blush, and I'm always using this blush. This blush is from MAC Cosmetics. Yes, it's from MAC. So yeah, I'm just using that one. So I went back into the translucent setting powder, and I always do this step to give my face a sharp V, as you can see. And I always do this step, and I love this step, and I will always do it like this. So now I'm going in with my black Kajal, just under my waterline. Just you can see it. I don't have anything to say about that. So now I'm dusting away the powder, and I'm always using my foundation brush, the one I use for the foundation, because with this one I'm melting all the colors and everything together. I love this step. Now I'm using some mascara. This one is from We Makeup from Italy. And this mascara is the best mascara ever. If you don't have like lashes, just use this one, then you will have some. Really, trust me, you will have some. Now I'm going into my blush palette. This is also by Juvias Place. The other color, I didn't even use it. It fell down and then the color was like destroyed. So anyway, I'm always mixing those two colors. Here's the orange and red one. Now the ColourPop highlighter. Yes, this highlighter is so nice. It has so many like goldish shimmer glitter in it, and I'm highlighting my cheeks, Cupid's bow, my nose, bridge of my nose, and yeah. Now I'm going into my favorite lip liner. This one is by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm lining my lips with it, and the color is Club Hopper, and I love this one. I bought it like 4 times now, and I love it. I will always love it. Now I'm going into the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and this one really is a lip injection because this one burns your lips like nothing. It burns, but it does its job, so I don't really have any complaint. Now I'm using my Manhattan Insta Prime and Setting Spray, and I'm setting my face with it, or the makeup with it. Not my face, the makeup. And that's it, guys. That's it. The makeup is done. Such an easy look. So you guys, you saw the makeup look. It was really easy. I only used 3 colors. I only used the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, as you saw, and it's really easy look. It's easy but bomb. Many people were asking me, I think because they thought I did some really special stuff or many colors, or I don't even know, but it's so easy. I didn't even want to do it because I thought it was too easy, but I did it for you. So if you like this makeup look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there somewhere, and yeah, see you in my next one. Peace.